This is where we've staged the dumpsters, and this is where we're dumping the debris from the boat. We got 3 dumpsters, and we're dumping the debris, shaking it out, and loading the dumpsters up, and then they're going to come down and pick them up. So got back 25 or 30 feet off. Hey, is it working? Hit the booms out, catch oil. You can see where the oil's been seeping right in there. It's just not much going out past it. It has actually come up the beach. It's moved up the beach probably 40 or 50 feet, maybe 100 feet from where it was when we first started. There's your fish tank right there. Both of the major fuel tanks are laying up there. That's the flying bridge up there, the aluminum flying bridge up there, and all the mast up there, up out of the tide line. Okay, let me run the excavator for a minute. And Pat got the 671 out, or 1271 engine out. I'm going to move it up to the truck. Well, that's the debris fill that we got here. And that's all that's left of the boat. We're pulling the, oh, it looks like he's got the main shaft and reduction gear right now. That's going to wrap it up. There is the gear reduction to the boat. And that's about a 2.5-inch shaft that runs the propeller, working its way down into the, hopefully the propeller right now. Taking pictures. No, just keep pulling.
Hey, we'll take pictures, you pull.
Pull.
Take pictures.
Here it comes. It's coming. Come on. It's coming up. It's coming up. You can see as it starts to break that suction, the bucket starts to come up. We're trying to break the buried blocks off the back end of the boat so we can get the gear reduction out of here.
What's that? I don't see any action on the shaft though.
He's breaking the back of the boat off though. There you go. No, I got to the rudder. That's what he's doing. He's getting his way into the rudder right now. That's the very back of the boat right there. Yeah, I did. Yeah. I got the last back tank. I got it off.
I got the base taken out though.
You guys be careful when that. We can hook that. You might move this back right there. You think that shaft is on the shaft? Hey, Park, you're on it. The shaft's moving.
It's on the track.
No, it moved at that time. Damn it. Do you see the propeller too?
Yep. All 9 yards.
There's the propeller. Yeah, it's still got the... What'd he say? What'd he say?
If you want something done, you got to do.
Yeah! Let him cut the rope! Yeah, we got a bunch of Samsonite wrapped up in the rope.
Yeah.
Boy, that stuff, when it snaps, it's ugly.
It goes.
Hey!